Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp from all devices quickly and securely. Logging out from all devices is useful if you've logged in on a shared computer, lost your phone, or want to protect your privacy. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or go to Settings on iPhone. Next, select Link Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account, including WhatsApp web sessions. To log out from a specific device, tap on it and select Logout. To log out from all devices at once, scroll to the bottom and tap Log out from all devices, then confirm your choice. This will immediately disconnect all sessions except the one on your current phone, keeping your account safe. And that's how you can log out of WhatsApp from all devices. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp and mobile tutorials. Thanks for watching.